Hello and welcome to this video about training materials and SOPs. And in this video we'll take a look at a free Chrome extension, so something you can install in your browser. And the great thing about this is that you can just start it with one click, and then you just do your normal task and the app automatically creates a video. And after that you also get an outline, so step-by-step overview of the task. And it's even possible to generate a voiceover, so you don't even have to talk while you're performing the task. And this really lowers the threshold, or makes it a lot easier to create SOPs and training materials for your team. And I think, that's really great, because in 2 clicks you can share your knowledge with everyone and make sure that other people can also perform the same task. You just keep your same workflow and the story gets created by itself. And obviously creating a voiceover can be challenging because you might have a hard time explaining what you need to do. But now with this tool you just click and do the task or perform the task, and then you get the output by itself. And this can really save you a lot of time and money. So as you saw, they have a great Chrome extension and also text-to-speech solutions. They even have a desktop app. So I think it's a very interesting tool to make sure that everyone on your team gets properly trained and can know what you're planning to do. So that was a quick look at guides. So you can also check their pricing to see what you can do. So it's free for 25 videos, and once you go above that you need to go to Pro Plan, which only costs $16 per month. So it's still affordable, and even for a business it's $35 per month. And I think, that's very affordable. If you're a business, you should be able to work with that. And you get 25 free videos, so you can see if it works for you or not, and obviously go from there. The only drawback of the free plan is that you can't download the videos. So if you want to share them in your Google Drive or your Dropbox with your team or your Notion, you'll have to step up and actually pay for the Pro plan. And that's, I think, one of the only drawbacks. And also for the voiceover you also have to go to a business plan. So if you want to get the most out of this tool, you obviously need a subscription, but I think the free version already has some nice features. So a quick tool at guides. I'll also post a link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you. And subscribe for more, obviously. Thanks.